Fast Cool. The Fast Cool feature assists with periods of high refrigerator use, full grocery loads, or temporarily warm room temperatures. Press Fast Cool to set the freezer and refrigerator to the lowest temperature settings. Press Fast Cool again to return to the normal refrigerator set point. Note, the Fast Cool feature will shut off automatically in approximately 12 hours. While Fast Cool is on, changing the refrigerator temperature will deactivate Fast Cool. While Fast Cool is on, activating vacation mode will deactivate Fast Cool. Fast Freeze. The Fast Freeze feature assists with temporary periods of heavy ice use by increasing ice production. Press Fast Freeze to set the freezer to the lowest temperature setting. Press the Fast Freeze feature touchpad again to return to the normal freezer set point. Note, the Fast Freeze feature will shut off automatically in approximately 48 hours. While Fast Freeze is on, changing the freezer temperature will deactivate Fast Freeze. See your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code in your refrigerator for additional information.